12 places women want to be touched. Where and how to touch a woman. Most men miss this. Touch is one of the most powerful ways to connect with someone. While words help express emotions, touch creates a deep, subconscious bond. Many men believe they instinctively know how to touch a woman, but the reality is that it's an art, one that requires an understanding of timing, technique, and sensitivity. Women are naturally more kinesthetic, meaning they respond to touch more than sight or sound. Their bodies have more nerve receptors, making them highly sensitive in specific areas. Understanding where and how to touch a woman can completely change the way she feels about you. Let's break it down and explore the 12 places women love to be touched, along with the right way to do it. Knowing when to touch a woman. Before diving into where to touch a woman, it's crucial to know when to touch her. Women enjoy touch only when they feel comfortable and attracted to someone. If a woman is giving you signs of interest, like prolonged eye contact, playful teasing, or leaning in close, she's likely open to touch. Breaking the touch barrier can start with something simple, like holding her hand. Asking, "Can I hold your hand?" shows respect and confidence. When done at the right moment, touch can create trust, intimacy, and attraction. 1. Her hair. Women love having their hair touched. Running your fingers gently through her hair or tucking a loose strand behind her ear can make her feel cherished and safe. This simple gesture, done while watching a movie or during a casual moment, can create a deep emotional connection. 2. Her scalp. The scalp is full of nerve endings, making it incredibly sensitive to touch. A light massage on her scalp can send shivers down her spine, instantly relaxing her. If she's stressed or tired, gently massaging her head can be incredibly soothing and make her feel cared for. 3. Her ears. Most men overlook this, but ears are one of the most sensitive parts of the body. Lightly touching or playing with her earlobe, especially when whispering something sweet, can send waves of excitement through her body. If you're in a romantic setting, softly kissing the area near her ear can be electrifying. 4. Her neck. The neck is a well-known erogenous zone. Running your fingers along the back of her neck or gently massaging the sides can be both soothing and sensual. A slow, deliberate touch here can trigger a mix of emotions, from comfort to deep attraction. 5. Her upper back. A woman's upper back holds a lot of tension, making it the perfect place for a surprise massage. You don't have to be a professional. Just rubbing her back while she's sitting in front of you can make her melt. This is also an area she can't easily reach, so your touch feels extra special. 6. Her arms. The arms are one of the easiest places to touch a woman, especially in social settings. A light touch on her forearm during a conversation can create an instant sense of connection. Many men naturally touch a woman's arm when flirting, making it a great starting point. 7. Her hands. Holding hands is one of the most intimate yet simple gestures. It makes a woman feel safe, valued, and close to you. Beyond just holding hands, softly tracing circles on her palm or giving her a gentle hand massage can add an extra level of connection. 8. Her wrists. A woman's wrists are often overlooked, but can be incredibly sensitive. Lightly grazing your fingers over her wrist or holding it gently can make her feel special. This area has a strong pulse point, which can heighten sensations when touched. 9. Her lips. Most men focus on kissing lips, but forget that simply touching them can be just as intimate. Gently brushing her lips with your fingertips before a kiss can build anticipation and deepen the moment. When done right, this small gesture can make her heart race. 10. Her inner thighs. The inner thighs are one of the most sensitive parts of a woman's body. If you're in an intimate situation, placing your hand lightly on her thigh can instantly increase attraction. The key here is to be slow and gentle. Building anticipation makes it even more powerful. 11. Her knees. Knees might not seem like an obvious place, but they are actually quite sensitive. If she's feeling nervous or in need of reassurance, placing a hand on her knee can offer comfort and support. It's a subtle yet effective way to show care. 12. Her waist. Women love being touched at the waist. It's one of the most distinctly feminine parts of their body, and when a man places his hands here, it makes them feel desired. Whether you're guiding her through a doorway, pulling her in for a hug, or simply resting your hands on her waist, this touch is incredibly effective at deepening attraction. Bonus: her face. Touching a woman's face is extremely intimate. It's not something to be done casually. If she trusts you enough to let you touch her cheek or jawline, it's a strong sign of emotional connection. A gentle caress before a kiss can make the moment even more intense. Final thoughts. Understanding how and where to touch a woman can completely transform your interactions. Every woman is different, so pay attention to how she responds. The key is to make your touch intentional, gentle, and respectful. By mastering the art of touch, you'll not only build deeper connections, but also make her feel truly cherished. Try these techniques and see how she reacts. Chances are, she'll love every moment of it. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.